Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit Kalarai ban Pynlong de ke Jingïakhih hanong ba Shillong ba Tura ban persya halor ke Jingïakhih Khot Hajir jong General Secretary ke BJP Tura Wilver M. Dango haka sngi baar ke arpo hendreo terek ubenai naitung arajar arpo haki pulit jong ke Tura Police Station ban tokit persya yu hadu hendreo kenta hapo tanan. Haka Jingïakhih bat kilat patai kubor Presiden jong ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit uba Ernest Mauri uliatho bakani ka parti hadu menta ka sa umdum namar ba hadu menta amshim layo jingtip AA ruem halor ka ka nongrim baki pulit kila Khot Hajir ban tokit yu new nongelam jong ke parti. Katkum ke Jingïakhih jong uba Mauri yakani ka Jingïakhih on sa Pynlong hapo kani ka tayo bat ya katarik on sa penbenapan hadin.
The meeting today present by all the representatives from the Jingïakhih Hills, from the Ribhoi district, from the East Khas Hills, and from the Shillong city. After we received the letter from the Tura city district, yesterday it has taken place that the OC of Tura, he called one of our party caricators and the General Secretary of the Tura city to police station for taking some statement. So we received a complaint that they have obtained him almost 6 hours, and subsequently they are on the way to call all the party workers and caricators for different statement which it is not known to us for what cause and for what reason. So today we have briefed this situation taken place in Tura with our caricators, our office bearer in the district. So we have decided to arrange one peace protest in Shillong and Tura, and we will ask the permission from the district administration. And I think within a day, 1 or 2 days, we'll give you the information, and this program will demand this protest here in Shillong city as well as in Tura city. Likely it will take place before Saturday. So today it's Wednesday, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So before Saturday, we are going to stage the protest. Again, this harassment from the police for our party caricators. Because this is example, we don't want that the police of any district to mishandle our party caricators. That is the main motive of this meeting today. We have asked the report from the General Secretary, Mr. Wilver Dango, about he was called to the police station, where he also is not knowing for what reason they call him, and subsequently the SP of the West Karels is instructing the General Secretary that to report every day, so which we don't know the reason till today. I can't say that because the matter is sub judice, since the Bernard has been arrested and the court will take its own course for proceeding of law, so I cannot keep statement on that. But we are concerned about the harassment of to our party leaders and party cricketers. You see, after this incident happened, an instruction has come from our central leaders to do some sort of inquiry, and we have already conducted inquiry, and we have already sent the report to her IRF, and we are waiting for the direction. You see, I have given in the press, it's the same thing only. I think I have already briefed that. in my press statement.
But you stand by the...
Yeah, we are condemned about this raid, which is not appropriate. You see, point number one, this resort, whatever they say, farmhouse or resort, is running from 2019. And so far, nothing happened. Why now? That is the big question. And the way they conduct the raid, also not inviting all the media, which only one media involved, that is Hub. So you also are from the media house, you know about that. So it is not appropriate. Let's see. Let them produce the victim on the court, and with due course of time, we'll see that. We have already informed our central leader. Then I think they have already communicated to the concerned person. That's all. That is the central decision. We have sent the report. They will decide, and we'll follow up. You see, actually, this type of statement should come from the police department. It is not the duty of CM that will brief in the press that so and so has been arrested. It's the duty of the DG or the concerned police to sit and give the brief statement that yes, Mr. So and so has been arrested in such place. The matter is sub judice, so let me refrain from that statement. Let him produce in the court of law, and we'll follow up. My concern is that the law should be equal to everybody. It cannot be that I'll suppress someone. If anybody do any wrong thing, we should treat equally. That is my request to the government. No, this is our party matters. No one can give direction like that. We have our leader in Delhi. They will decide and they'll give us the right direction. Yes, that's why we are going to stage a protest. So this incident should not take place anywhere at all. So once the government should stop harassment, party members. See, if you call someone without a reason, it indicates to that. When you call someone, then you have to brief him. What is the concerned matter? Whether someone has filed FIR or we are involved in any case, by detaining 6-7 hours, that is very unlawful. Maybe to demoralize our party cricketers, but we are very strong. We are the biggest party in the world, and we have government in Delhi. We have government in every state in Northeast, and even in Meghalaya also. Hopefully we will lead the government in this coming election. Of course, we are the partner in the government, in coalition. They have to give us equal treatment. That is the matter.